Okay, so so I just finished the first disc, which is cardio of Focus T25. Holy shit balls, yo. And I did the modified version pretty much the whole time, and it's amazing. I don't know if it's just taking the time or pushing something out of you that causes things to move, but just how watching something that looks so easy when you actually do it is just so hard. And then, so yeah, got some thoughts. I'll talk about it on the blog a bit more, but it's something else. Feels good though, like to actually, I got this about like a month ago, and I haven't had a chance to really pull it out, or really not chance, or even the motivation or inclination to really start it. So it feels good to finally just put it in there, press play, and just get moving. Who cares what it looked like, how messy it was. It feels good to just actually get started. And the little miss, she was very good. She slept for me for pretty much the most part until the very end, and she's slightly awake, slightly not. I think she's getting ready to go back again, hopefully, maybe. Here, sweetie pie. So that's day one. Here we go.